Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, I have a tutorial for you, but before we get to the tutorial, we have to gather some goods, so let's go. Out of all these sneakers, what should we wear today? I don't know about you guys, but if you're not on the Croc wave yet, you guys are missing out. This is easily my most worn pair of 2021, and if you guys would like to purchase a pair, I have them on my website at shopsotopia.com. I have the custom straps on there made out of 100% authentic material going on both sides.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yo, quick shout out to everybody that said they enjoyed car content in the previous video. I got you guys. I've had this chrome set of wheels for a pretty long time and they're not shining like they used to. So if you guys would like to see how to shine your wheels, you know, we're into the shoes, but we got to take care of the shoes for our cars. So if you want to see how to shine this chrome, I'll do a video if you guys drop some comments and leave some love. Now let's get this video started. So right now we're out here at Target. We're only going in for one thing and one thing only. So this isn't going to be a whole Target trip, but we're on the hunt for some cold brew. Ooh, yeah. Wouldn't be a Target trip if I didn't get something for the dog. Ooh, I like that. All right, everyone, we're back at home now, so let's get this tutorial started. The first thing that we're gonna need is obviously our laces. Now I pulled this off of a brand new pair of Air Jordan 1s, so let's go ahead and smash the like button. Let's see if we could get 1,000 likes on this video right here for sacrificing a pair of Air Jordan 1 laces for you guys. Other than that, the materials are very simple. We need a bowl. Boom! Oh, shoot. And we also need some Starbucks cold brew. Now, if you guys have any other coffee laying around the house, just make sure it's cold brew and it doesn't have anything inside that has sweetness. So no sugar or anything, because you don't want your laces getting all sticky. So the first thing that we're gonna do here is we are going to pop the cap on this thing, and then we're just gonna do it like this. All right, we're gonna pour this in. You see how it's nice and dark? Perfect. So once we have our cold brew, that's all good. We're gonna open up these laces. Now let me give you guys one quick look at them while they're nice and fresh. Look at how white these things are. These are nice and crispy. What we're going to do is I'm gonna let one of these sit out. All right, this one's not gonna play in this match. And then we're just gonna go ahead and dunk this one in. This is just gonna sit in here for 30 minutes. And after the 30-minute mark, I'll go ahead and check it and make sure it looks good. If I want it darker, I'll leave it again for 30 minutes. If I want it a little bit lighter, maybe take it out a little bit sooner. So you can go ahead and check up on it. I'm just gonna do a 30-minute time and let's see how this comes out. Yo, that looks amazing. So we're gonna let that soak in there. Make sure you press it down. If you wanna get really fancy with it, you could put a weight on top, but we're not gonna do all that. This looks good to me. So if you guys are watching this video, I'm assuming you want to learn how to age your sneakers, make them look a little bit more vintage, or you just like that cream look. Now I noticed that look has been a very popular look for the past few months, even half a year or even year, let's say. And I find it a little bit weird because I came up on YouTube showing you guys how to restore your sneakers, how to make them look brand new. And now a lot of people are trying to make their shoes look more beat, a little bit more yellow, a little bit more cream. So I feel like I need to update these videos and show you guys how to age your sneakers, or at least your laces, for this video right here. This is the cold brew that we're using today, and I absolutely hate cold brew. Your boy's a fan of like sugary drinks, obviously, but I'll go ahead and take a little chug for you guys. Just make sure you like the video. If you drink this, you're just built differently. 30 minutes has passed, so let's go ahead and take these out, see what they look like. Ooh, okay. That looks actually pretty good. What we're going to do is we're gonna rinse this out and see what the true color is, because this is completely soaked with the coffee, so we don't know what the actual tone of this is, but we're just going for a light cream tone, you know, make it look a little bit more vintage. If it stayed this color, I think that is a little bit too dark, so we're gonna go ahead, wring it out, give it a nice rinse with some cold water and some hand soap, and then these should be looking pretty nice. Yo, not gonna lie, I'm actually surprised. Most of the coffee came out. There is a slight tint on the laces, but it's not really noticeable yet. So if you guys want a really light tint, go for the 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and dunk these back in a fresh bowl of coffee and see how these look after letting them soak for maybe a couple hours, maybe a few hours. So I'm gonna let these chill for a little bit longer, and that should let the pigments stain the laces a little bit more. But like I said, you guys see it. This is how it looks like after 30 minutes. Definitely need more time. I'm learning as we go, so I'm just giving you guys some tips. Let's go ahead and reset this, and let's check them out in a few hours. After your shoelace has been rinsed out and you want to dry it, you get a clean microfiber cloth, and what you do is you pinch it right here and you pull it through. This will help you wring all of the excess coffee out, all the excess water out, and it'll get it nice and dry. Here are the results from our little coffee dyeing process. Coffee dyed is on the right and brand new is on the left, and as you guys can see, there is a significant difference with the age that we put on these laces. Now when I first started this video, I thought 30 minutes would be good for this pair right here, but it ended up being over 24 hours. I want to say I left these in for about 30 hours total to get them looking like this. Keep in mind, if you guys want this to be a lighter shade, you could go ahead and take these out a little bit sooner, or if you want them to be a little bit darker, a little bit more aged, you can leave them in there for a little bit longer. Here's an up close look for you guys, and like I said, man, the creams, the earth tones, the browns, all that good stuff have been really popping lately. So I'm curious to see what you guys would put these on. Would you put them on Chicago's, maybe Bread Ones? I got a pair of mochas that I think these would look fire on, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on that pair. Here are the final results, guys. We have our fresh white laces on the left. We have our cream laces on the right. Comment down below which one you're feeling more. Are you guys feeling the cream or are you feeling the Coke white? I'm gonna go for this cream because I wear these mochas a lot. As you guys can see, I mean, they're getting really dirty. I really just want to beat these things up, and I feel like the white on this leather right here isn't really a pure white. It's more of a sail. So when we dye these laces, I feel like it goes a little bit better with the shoe. The white on these laces is just, it's a little bit too bright for this shoe right here. I don't know, this is just how I'm feeling. You guys let me know how you're feeling in the comment section down below, but you guys can see the difference, right? You see the leather, it's a little bit more eggshell, and then the white laces are just like boom. So I don't know if that goes with this pair right here, but I do feel like the aged laces on this particular shoe, I mean, this is a good look right here. This almost makes me want to dunk this entire shoe in a bucket of coffee, just like Ronnie Banks did. If you guys follow Ronnie Banks, he recently took a couple pairs of Air Jordan 1s and he just straight up dunked it in coffee, left it for a few days, and they came out looking pretty saucy. So if you guys would like to see it, make sure you show love on this video right here. Also follow me on Instagram at SneakerHeadInTheBay, of course. And if you guys are looking for dope replacement laces, I have a link down below to Angelus Direct. They have a bunch of them. If you don't have a pair of white laces to dye, you can always buy some cream laces on the site, and I also have a code down below as well if you guys want a discount on some new laces. All right, I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video though. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. See you guys next time. I'm out. Deuces.